morning, guys. Today we're gonna start working on something new and something exciting. I always say that, and it's always something new and exciting. So today we're gonna make another tote bag like Garfield, but we're gonna do a different design, and I'm gonna show you right now. Since Halloween is only a week away, we're gonna make another bag like this. I got so many compliments on this bag, but it's gonna be Halloween themed. So we're gonna use this chart for our new bag, which I'm so excited. The bag itself is 46 chains by 58 rows. So I'm really excited. We're again gonna use, I think, single crochet. This video is gonna be broken into two videos. We're gonna have one video where it's just vlogging and me talking and giving you updates and what I'm doing throughout the day for my friends and family, you know, that don't crochet. So that I think they'll enjoy that video more. And then we're gonna do a second video with me having my camera overhead, and you can see exactly how to do this chart step by step. Because I got so many requests to show them how to do the Garfield bag, I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to show you how to do a different chart, but you'll still get the same experience. So let's go do that really quick. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our yarn for the background, which for me, I'm gonna be using this orange color from Impeccable Yarn from Michaels. I have a little bit of it, so I think it'll be enough for the bag. So first what we're gonna do is, if you remember, just like our Garfield bag right there, we do the background, the back piece of the bag. So it's just gonna be me working 46 chains and 58 rows of just orange by itself. It's super boring, so I'm not gonna show you how I'm gonna do that because it's just very basic. And so I'm gonna grab my hook. I'm probably gonna grab 3.5mm hook, but you can also use 5mm hook. It's really up to you. If you want to know how wide it is, what I would do first is I would make a swatch. So just chain maybe 5 chains and go back and forth of whatever stitch you're using, and then measure it with your measuring tape and see what 1 inch is. Is it 3 chains? And then you can multiply that by 46 and get the measurement of the total bag. That's gonna be the finished look. But for me, I've made this so many times, so I'm gonna just go 3.5. We're just gonna go for it. And so now let me start chaining 46 chains with this, and then we'll just start working on our back.
After chaining 46 chains, chain 1 and go back into the second chain or the 46th chain, and single crochet all the way till the end. Then chain 1 and continue single crocheting back and forth until you have 58 rows.
Okay guys, I have 40 minutes before work starts, and I just finished the leftover yarn that I had from previous. So now I have the new yarn that I will attach to this, and we're just gonna continue working on this for 58 rows, and then we're gonna start working on our chart. And when I do work on the chart, I'm gonna do overhead camera, and we're gonna split that into 2 videos. But first, let's go make some breakfast, and then we'll continue crocheting, and then we'll go to work. Hey guys, so it's 1 p.m. and I am currently on lunch from work, and so this is how far I've gone. So I took one 15-minute break, and so I did quite a bit of rows. So we still need 58 rows. So I'm just gonna hop on my couch, make some lunch, and then finish the 58 rows. And then later today, I'm gonna put you overhead, and we're gonna start working on the design itself. I'm super excited. It's gonna be so fun. Anyway, let's go make lunch really quick, and then we'll come back when we're done with the 58 rows of orange. So for lunch, I made some soup, and I added some cabbage and like this Asian spice. That's really good. And then, I'm just putting this in there as well. Super good. And I'm watching Bob's Burgers. And then after my break, I'll go back to work. And then at 6, we'll continue crocheting. Hey guys, so it's 6 o'clock and I just got off work, and I finished my 58 rows of the front bag. It looks huge. So like that looks so big. So it's gonna be, it's a car alarm. So for tonight, I'm actually gonna take a break, eat some ramen, and just kind of relax and watch the season 3 of You on Netflix, because that show is nuts and I want to see what happens. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna put my camera overhead, and we're gonna start recording the other video while simultaneously doing the vlog. And so we'll do that tomorrow, start doing the chart in the morning at 6 before we start work at 9. So let's do that. But first, let's go make some dinner and relax before tomorrow morning.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So it's pretty early and we're just gonna jump right into the second video where we're gonna put overhead, but first let's go make some coffee. You're going to need black, brown, and then white. So let's get that on our shelf really quick. Colors that I need. I will also split the orange in two, so we're not wasting too much yarn going from one side to the other. So now let's get started. Hi guys, so I just want to do a quick update before I go to work. This is how far we've gone on the chart and it's exciting. So we are right there. So we're doing the cross, we're almost done with the cross, and then we already incorporated the hands, or the hands, arms, not sure. And yeah, so after work, maybe during lunch even, I'll have an hour to continue crocheting, but I probably won't get too much done. So after work, I'll continue working and recording overhead camera for that other video, and then just updating you guys throughout the day how it's going. Stay tuned to see how it turns out.
Recording with an overhead camera became a little bit more challenging when we started using more yarn, because I have a really small table with 2 monitors on it and a bunch of other junk. So I stopped the video and hopped onto my bed to finish the chart. While crocheting on my bed, I'm listening to the new episode of Bad Blood. You might have heard about this podcast on my other videos. Here's a little clip of the podcast.
In one upcoming episode, we're going to pull back the curtain on Elizabeth Holmes's covert plan to hide the fact that Theranos' technology didn't work by using third-party lab machines and then lying about it.
So we have never used commercially available lab equipment.
So I'm about to go to work, but I just want to do a real quick update how far we've gone, and this is where we at. It looks really good. So we're about to get to her head, which I'm so excited, and let's go to work right now, and then on Saturday we'll continue crocheting this. I think we should be done, and Sunday or maybe Sunday. So let's do that. Let's go to work, and then we'll come back and continue crocheting. Hey guys, so it's my lunchtime and I am so excited. So tomorrow Eli and I got tickets to go to Red Rocks, and it's gonna be Eli's first concert. I'm so excited, and we're gonna go see JID, Earth Gang, Dreamville, and this other girl that's part of their group. I've never heard of her, so I'm gonna have to catch up and listen to her songs. So right now during lunch I have 1 hour. I already ate, so I'm gonna crochet my bag because I really want to bring the bag tomorrow to the concert. It would be so cool. And then yeah, so let's go on my bed again, continue crocheting. I'm gonna speed up the process and just put on podcast. I'll talk more about it during my crocheting, and then I'll come back and update you how far we've gone today.
In another episode, we're going to take you behind the scenes of the fake demonstrations Theranos held for investors.
So this was not run on Theranos hardware. This was run using...
Okay guys, before I go to work, I want to do a quick update. So this is how far we've gone. Looks so awesome. So we're doing the eyes. We're actually almost done. And so let's go back to work, and then we'll continue working on this tonight. I'm super excited. Are you excited, Gigi? Yay! So I finished work. I just logged out. And now let's get on our couch and watch some shows and finish the bag. I'm super excited.
At night, I watched Loki Marvel series. That's on Disney+. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so good. Well, as far as what I've seen, and it's really funny also. Then later, Eli got home and brought me some pizza, which I was so happy about.
The next day.
Good morning.
Yo, what's up?
Before we start crocheting, Eli and I decided to go on this trail in Golden. It looks beautiful. The leaves are all yellow and orange. So we're super excited. We're gonna go do that first, and then we'll go back and finish that bag today before the concert, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned to see how it turns out.
There is warning signs. Hope you guys can hear me. So there was warning sign that there has been a black bear around this area, and apparently there's some snakes, but it was such a funny sign. It said, beware of black bears. If you see one, don't run, back away slowly. If the black bear's fighting you, fight back. I've never seen the fight back one. Pretty funny. So yeah, hopefully we survive this trail. But let's just keep walking. I'm listening to my podcast. I'll list it down below which one I am listening to right now. And then we'll come back and continue crocheting.
It's about like 2 hours before we have to leave for the concert, and I finished the bag. Well, I finished the design. Here it is. Oops, let me fix this. Looks really awesome. I still gotta clean up a few things, but it's done. It's huge. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow that video again that we did for the Garfield bag. We're gonna fold the bag inside out. First step, let's sew up the sides. And then we'll sew the ends for the corners and then flip it over and do the strap, and we're done. So let's do that really quick, and then I'll come back to update you. Yay guys, I finished the bag. I'm so excited. It looks awesome. So here it is. It's huge. I already put my wallet in there and my glasses case. So I have an hour to get ready for the concert. So let's go get ready really quick, and then we'll come back and do some more photo shoots, especially at the Red Rocks during the concert, and then we'll be done. So stay tuned for the final look.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My cold hurt to say.
Damn.
We ain't got shit in common. Let's go! We ain't got shit in common. Tell me what the fuck ready? What no? Autumn, Bishop, I don't, Bruno, I don't, Vito, Autumn, Bishop, I don't. He got space, yeah, he got a case of trash in the back in the hotel cover. Room 508, check by the safe stick, boy.
What?
Hold on, chill out, please give me a second, huh? I'm drowning out for Xanax, so let's spaghetti. Cut down the bullshit, nigga, chop the confetti. You ready? You ready? Okay, I never said you move on and ain't hitting this shit. Pride, lie, deceit, blah, blah, sitting this shit. Anime eat dumbass, apple eating dumbass. It hit the gas, and it says stiff with a religious to grab gifts. How you get money in aggregate, poverty's past tense.
Well, Eli and I just got back home from the concert, his first concert.
It was
and
sick.
What'd you think?
It was dope. JID was killing it, bro. He was like, yemen in them. Oh, I couldn't do it. But he was killing it, though.
The next day.
Yo, look at that. Luda just finished that up real quick. And it's pretty nice. The colors, oh, bomb. You know what I mean? That's how it fits. Look at how much I could put in here. I'm just going to take out what Luda put in here. She's got some mask and some wallet and a watch case. Ooh, okay.
Guys, we're about to make a new cardigan today.
You know, learn a new thing and see and okay guys, so so good. I'm thinking.
Later.
What do you think about that bag?
Hold on. Let me first introduce it.
Okay.
Alright. Action.